Hey everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can create a very cool scroll effect in your website. So let me show you how it looks. So if you will just scroll, you can see on the top it is moving, and not only that, yeah. So as you can see on the website, whenever I am scrolling, the on the top the scroll is moving, and not only that, it goes right and it also goes bottom, and then it becomes a square, okay, and then it covers the whole website. So you can create this cool looking like scroll effect on your own with just some javascript code. Okay, code in this video is in the description. Okay, so if you want to copy the code, you can copy it by going to the description. Okay, I have given a link to the code. Let's see how I have made it. Okay, so first of all, in the HTML part, I have a container. Okay, container inside which I have 3 bar. So the first one is bar top, bar right, bar left. Oops. So bar left and bar bottom. So these are the like 3 bars which are used in order to make this cool effect. Okay, and I have defined the position of this cont here. As you can see, the position of this container is absolute. Okay, so in order to not like take the space. Okay, so after that we have like some big paragraphs to be able to see the effect. Okay, nothing else. And let me just show you the CSS part first. So I have like design style the bar. Okay, so the bar top, you can see the width is 100 VW, the height is 10 pixel, and the color is this box shadow, and the position is fixed, and I have also defined top and left value. Okay, so this top and left value and this width and height is different for all 4. So as you can see here, the width is 100, but for bar right, because the bar right, okay, so this on the right will be thinner, so that's why I've given it width 100, sorry, not 100, 10 pixel, and height 100 VH, and the top will be minus 100 VH. Okay, so these values are different for all the 4. Okay, and I have also like hide the normal like scroll bar. Okay, so this is the way you can hide the normal scroll bar. So now let's come to the JavaScript part. Okay, so first of all, I have defined a variable called body. So body is equal to document.body, and this body we will use to get the height of the full website. So I have add event listener, and this listener is scroll. So whenever we will scroll, this function will run, and we have given a variable which is scr. So this scr is equal to page y offset. Okay, so that means whenever I am scrolling the website, the scr value is changing among whenever I will scroll. Okay, so the scr value is changing, and that scr value I have used again to like get the value of this progress. So what is this progress? I have defined it math.floor, and it is equal to scr slash which is like divide, and it is divided by body dot scroll height. This body is from here. Okay, and body dot scroll height, this body dot scroll height is the total height, and this window dot inner height is the height of the screen. So if I just minus body dot scroll height and window inner height, so if I just like this code which I have selected here will give you the max value of scr, and that's only what we want. Okay, because then we can generate the value of scr from 0 to 100. Because I have multiplied it by 100, it will give you the value from 0 to 100. Okay, so that means the progress, the value of this progress will be from 0 to 100, and we have like using that value to define the position of the bar. Okay, so as you can see, if the progress is less than or equal to 25, the top bar, okay, the top bar will move. So you can see the style dot left is equal to progress into 4. Why into 4? because it will give from 0 to 25. So we have to multiply it by 4 and then minus 100. Okay, so that's why like it will move in the left, from left to right direction. Okay, otherwise it will give it some error. And we have done the same for all these three. Okay, so these four ifs are the same. Okay, just some value changes here and there. And if we just talk about this here, these like 6 if statements are to make some like error. Okay, to like exclude some error. So if I just comment all these 6 if statement, let me just do that quickly. So if I just save it again and let me just go back to the website, if I just reload it again, and now if I just scroll it, you can see, okay, like you can see it is working fine, but at the end it is just leaving some gaps. Okay, so and if I just like take the scroll back, as you can see, then also it is leaving some like bar. Okay, so this is not good. Okay, we don't want that. That's why I have like written this if statements. Okay, what I have written here, if the progress is more than 25. So what is mean by more than 25? That means if it is more than 25, this top bar must be at full. Okay, so must be the full progress. Okay, so that's why I have written here style.left is equal to 0. So that means whenever the progress is less or greater than 25, it will be the top bar will be like at the right corner. Okay, so in that way it will be working fine. Okay, and the same goes for all these like different bars. Okay, so I hope like you enjoyed this effect. And one more time I want to tell you that the code is in the description. You can get the code from there, guys. So that's how you can create this cool effect. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will help a lot. And subscribe to get like more notifications and more amazing videos like this in future. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.